Okay, guys. So I think there was some snow last night, right?
Right.
We don't know quite how much yet, do we?
Right.
How about if we go just take a look out on the porch and we'll see what we can see, all right? Why don't you open the door up and we'll take a look, okay? Take a look. Open the door. Can you open the door, Ronan? Open the door all the way. What? What is that? Mimi, will you go up and take a look? You want to have a bite of snow? Is that all snow that fell down last night? Mimi, it's taller than you are. Is that crazy? What do you guys think? Have you ever seen that much snow?
No. Let's have one that hops to Puffy.
Whoa.
Hey, this is gonna be.
Let me see your nose.
What's this?
That's right. You don't even need to stick a bowl out, do you? You could just stick your face right into the snow bag and have a bite. Wow. Well, uh-oh. We better close that door before the snow blows in.
Should I?
Yeah, let's close it. Wait, she wants one more bite. Have one more bite. Uh-oh. Wow. That was a little too big. All right, we'll come back and get some more later. Close the door.
Papa?
Now
Papa?
that, you know what you call that?
What?
That is what we call a blizzard, huh?
Hey, Papa.
You like that, Mimi?
Papa,